Didn't know this. Yeah. You have any cheese? Hi.
I got this right.
Hello, Mr. Barra. Ooh, you're healthy. Eat the same thing every single day. That's how I stay so maintained and fit. Oh, yeah. Hello, Mr. Cappy. Wow. This is mocha, boba, and latte. Ooh, look, Ari.
Won't hurt you.
You sure about that? Because he's staring at me.
Positive.
And I'm a big chunk of meat.
There you go.
He knows.
Oh, shit.
You gotta get him, Alec. You gotta go. Good boy.